Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can replace default player models with the custom ones in Little Company. So for this we'll have to install a couple of simple mods. We're going to do it manually, so if you don't know how to install mods manually, just go find tutorial on our channel, check it out, then come back here. So when you're done, firstly what you have to do is to open internet browser, and you should search for something like Little Company mods. Open the first page, the Thunderstore could be. So to find yourself some model, I suggest you to click this, include category suits, and tap search. And now you can search for any player model that suits you. Just for an example, we're going to be using Bocce player model, this one. So as you can see, to use this mod I will also need to use this Bunya Pine Tree model replacement AP. You will actually need to use this replacement AP for any model replacement mod, so this is actually the most essential mod in this video. So we manually download it, we manually download Bocce. Then what you will have to do is to extract these both archives DLL files into our games directory. So we go to properties here, installed file, browse, then we go to Blapinx plugins, drop these DLL files here, model replacement and Little Bocce. And now, to demonstrate you that everything works smoothly, let's run the game. Let's try to join some chill lobby. This one. Oh, nice. And as you can see now, every model looks like Bocce to me now. This one, it's just custom models. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.